Hello teacher and classmates. Today I'm going to talk about the video. The video was about a huge problem around the world, which is the desertification. It becomes a problem because it reduces the available land to produce food or even for other uses like energy crops. But the desertification is a consequence originated by humans. Everything we do in the world has a consequence. Here, the consequences are worrying because the population is increasing every year and the land is decreasing, so the production of food is decreasing too. And what happens if the food production is decreasing? Well, first, the food security will decline and more people will die because of the lack of food. The food security is also an important topic in our times because it's important to be sure that all the people has access to food. Also, the access of food is a right for all the humans. The availability of land is decreasing because human activities, and the most relevant are the inadequate use of fertilizers, the cattle, and the deforestation. The fertilizers and other chemical substances help to the soil erosion and the loss of nutrients of the soil. The overgrazing is one of the most important causes of the desertification because it produces a lot of compaction and the land used for the cattle couldn't be used for crops. Then the deforestation causes a lot of problem not only for the land. The problem produced by the deforestation are the loss of biodiversity, which affects the humans because some processes are regulated by some species. For example, there are species that protect the crops from pests. Another example is the case of the Yellowstone wolves. There was a forest with a lot of wolves, but humans killed those wolves, and the forest became full of deer. So then the deer end with the flora and the fount of water decreased. Finally, the people in charge of the forest introduced wolves to regulate the population of deer, and the forest recovered the life. Like this example is what we are doing with the nature. With the deforestation, we are ending with the biodiversity and with the fount of water. The vegetable cover regulates the flow of water, but if people cut the trees and the forest, they are increasing the superficial runoff, and the runoff is very bad because it drags soil and waste to the river. So the deforestation's consequences are loss of water, loss of biodiversity, loss of soil, loss of land, and loss of food security. The solution to stop the desertification are reforest and create awareness in the minds of everyone. Everybody lives on the planet, so everybody should protect their home and the home of the others. Let the people know technologies like GMOs to reduce the use of fertilizers and the use of energy crops to protect the land, to reduce the erosion and contribute to generate clean energy. The solution for this problem is strengthen the social responsibility. Thanks everyone for listening. I hope you enjoyed the recording and have a nice day.